gambani jede gambani Nenbe awet bala bangenye nenbe awet bala bangenye wangal wala woro yera gambani jede gambani nenbe awet bala bangenye.
The Kimberley Land Council is an Aboriginal organisation that's been around for nearly 40 years. I'm Nolan Hunter. I'm the CEO of the Kimberley Land Council. We help people in the Kimberleys on a whole range of fronts. We help people to get back their native title, get recognition of their native title in their traditional areas. Our main role is to ensure that Aboriginal people can have the opportunities to link their traditional cultural knowledge and values about the land, about the stories, about everything that's part of their culture. The tension that exists is about how do Aboriginal people become empowered to make the decisions in accordance with their native title rights and interests, but also in being able to determine how do they take care of the future, how do they look after country, what's the important things that people are wanting to do, why are they the best placed, why are Aboriginal the best placed people to do this? Well, if you look at the fact that everything's related to the culture of the people, they have an understanding, a long history that goes back 50,000 years. This knowledge has been passed on from generation to generation. Land needs people. Country can't look after itself, and Aboriginal people have always been there as part of the land, as being there to manage it, being there to look after it, being there to engage with it. And that's the relationship between Aboriginal people and the land, is that they are one and the same. That's the most important thing.
Jena mana meningan ngari. Kale enye yau.